Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today I share with you this super quick, hydrating and very delicious recipe. Papaya juice with aloe vera. This is NUTRITIOUS. We start with aloe vera. I tell you that it has many health benefits. You can use it externally or internally, as we will do in this case by making a juice. First, it is good for you to know that it has a calming, moisturizing, regenerating effect. It is anti-inflammatory and above all it is ideal for acne problems. In addition to detoxifying our body and promoting digestion, together with papaya they become great allies. And something super important is that aloe vera regulates the body's glucose. It is good to highlight that this plant can help diabetic people with their blood glucose levels and health, favoring those who have a deficiency in the hormone insulin. And well, in order to consume it we are going to remove all the shells. We will only keep the interior. We soak it in water to make sure we remove all the latex as much as possible. It's this yellow liquid. It is what was previously believed to be iodine, but now we know that is not the case. Well, when this yellow latex emerges from the leaf, what rises is an oxidation process. And this causes the water to turn a reddish-brown color, similar to that of iodized alcohol. We leave the pieces that we have cut in water while we cut the papaya. We remove shell and seeds. This fruit has a component called papain, an enzyme that helps in the digestion process. It helps avoid constipation due to its high water and fiber content. So it is recommended to consume a few at a time. We are cutting into pieces. For example, I am using this amount for 3 glasses. We finish and add to the blender along with the aloe vera. 2 medium pieces are fine. If you can blend without water, it would be perfect. But if not, you can add a little water like me to help the blender. We don't add any sugar. Whatever is enough with the sweetness of the fruit. Let it dissolve well and directly into the glass. Preferably, we don't sneak in so we can make better use of it. We are boiling and I tell you that the texture is quite soft. You don't feel the aloe vera at all, which makes it much easier to consume. And even if they didn't tell me it had aloe vera, I wouldn't really notice. And well friends, this is how our papaya and aloe juice turns out. I hope you make it at home and like this recipe as much as we enjoyed preparing it. It is really highly recommended, especially to take it in the morning. And if you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe and activate the bell. Until next time,